What's up, broskis? Welcome back to another video. Check it out, we got a new project, a new paint project.
They don't know what we're doing now, fool.
Eh?
They don't know what we're doing, fool.
They know what we're doing with.
Style up.
Alright, broskis, we are on a new adventure. We're gonna be painting a lot of cars. ¿Te echaste un pedo, güey?
No,
O era una rana?
No, you fool.
Una rana. You stepped on a frog. We're gonna be selective with the cars we paint, because obviously we're not gonna do like brand new cars, you know. We're gonna start painting all your fucking yonkes. We took off the side skirts, the front and back bumper. We're gonna paint those separate.
You guys live near LA, fool? Shit, hit us up. Get in line.
If you guys want to get on the list, hit me up. Philly Drifts, SoCal Sideways, or StyleUp.us. That's gonna be our new paint page. We're gonna be posting all the content that we do here in the garage. So that's the official Instagram of Style Up Paints.
Puro yonke.
Puro pinche yonke. So yeah, this FD belongs to the homie Jose, FD S3, and he's a really close homie to ours, so we're gonna treat him right, give him that drip
homie.
that drip
spec, wait.
drip spec paint job. Era nomás pinche mamalón. I already ordered the parts for this car. We're gonna get it ready, so stay tuned. Clean ass car. This car's gonna look sick once we're done with it. We're gonna have to do a lot of sanding to this car. The car was rattle canned. Mira. Mira. The car looks good from far, but far from good. You guys can see all the scratches. Mira. So it's gonna look way better than what it is now. I'm excited to get this car painted. We should be done by Sunday. Today is Tuesday, so we got a good solid 5 days to 5-6 days to tackle this car. We'll see how she comes out. No, pa' que les enseño. Pinche yonke. Alright, broskis, it's the next morning. We started sanding down the car.
Afternoon, fool.
Yeah, it's the next day, we dije, no?
Since the next morning.
We got the two front fenders pretty much done. I'm kind of taking forever right here on this mirror, just because it has a lot of layers of paint, you guys can see, so it's taking forever, but the rest of the car should be pretty easy to sand down. Ahí vamos, little by little. Ya no sobró ni una lija.
We used to pull the whole sandpaper, the whole fucking box, fool.
Yeah, that was like half. But yeah, bros, because we got most of the car sanded, well, pretty much everything sanded down. We're gonna pull the car out and then we're gonna wash it. Tomorrow we're gonna go to the paint shop and then pick up some primer. That way that'll cover most of the, like all this white stuff. And then after we throw the primer, we gotta sand it down again, wash it again, and then paint it. But yeah, we put in like 5 hours and we sanded the whole car.
5 hours sanding the whole fucking car. Patching up the holes too, no way? Trimming.
Yeah, we patched a few holes. We did the whole car with 600 grit, dry. And like I said, tomorrow we'll wash it, we'll primer it, and then we're gonna wet sand it. And then wash it again and fucking...
Right now we're just gonna wash it, right?
Yeah, right now we're just gonna wash the parts. That way the water doesn't stick, you know? It dries off.
We're gonna wash the car off to fucking get all the fucking dust off, and so it can dry up by tomorrow.
Hablamos con acá, ¿no?
Yeah. A quick rinse. This is after we sand the kit, the car separate. I'm washing it now.
All right, we're getting ready to mask down the car and then primer. So, we're mixing the primer, getting ready to spray this shit with primer.
That's what life is about.
Alright guys, a ver cómo sale esta madre. All right, broskies, we got the car primer down.
We just took a power nap.
Polyester.
We just took a power nap, fool.
Yeah, we took a little power nap right now to let it dry. So we let it sit for an hour, hour 15, hour 30. And we're gonna get ready to sand it down. A ver qué tal queda el culo. Well, I had like some cracks right here. I filled them up with some putty. This is what I used. I'll show you guys. Glazing spot putty. So they filled in the cracks. Just the cracks, way, not the holes. Pero, a ver qué pedo. Let's start sanding it down. And then get it ready for paint. We might paint it tonight. So, let's hustle it. Hola, caquita.
And we're all sweaty, fool, and dirty, we.
What's up with the fucking mosca?
Need a Sony, fool. Because it's crazy, because right here is so good, and then you turn over here and it's so shitty, fool. So you see how it looks so good, right? And then you go over here, look.
Oh, you gotta change it, way.
I know, but my camera doesn't do that way. Yours does, way.
Oh, pues mine's on manual.
Mine's too, way, but look, you see how it gets real dark? Like if I adjust to this, it gets real dark in here. It's Sony, fool. Get a Sony, way. See, way. Hey, how are we gonna open the sunroof? Or should we cut it with a blade before we go crack it open? Huh? Así con todo el calzón mojado, güey. You have it in your pocket.
You know how we changed color? This one was for it. But I could miss it. I want to keep it.
Ah, look. Stay right there, okay, Austin? Está perro, güey.
Yeah.
That shit's smoking up, fool. Shit's smoking up. It was rattle can. Rattle can took forever to send off. It looks nice, bro. I like it. Let's paint that one next, though.
Come on, yeah. Drop it.
Young shot caller, hit placer, bad bitch taker, AK slanging ass gangster, white flash nigga.